Start. Sir, the price situation in our country is only a mirror of the economy as a whole and the policies which are driving the economy stop. So there is no huge either complimenting our finance minister or running him down stop. Ever, if the same finance minister was the minister of industry in Tamil Nadu now as he was before, I do not know what he would have done stop. It is not an individual's capacity or efficiency or inefficiency, sir, but it is the policy stop. What is the policy towards our economy, towards the trade, towards distribution, towards production, and so on stop. All these combined together have resulted in this situation stop. The more important thing is our policy towards our exports and imports stop. If the House examines carefully our policy and analyzes our exports and imports and the price structure of our exports and imports, it will come to the inevitable conclusion that the imperialist countries are looting our country much more than what the Britishers did during their rule in this country. Stop era. A few days ago, sir, the Honorable Minister of Commerce and the leader of this house was giving us some details with regard to tea. Stop. Whether it is tea or coffee or any other consumer goods that we export, we only export at the cost of the consumers of this country. Stop. For every kilogram of tea that is exported, our country is losing about 4 to 6 rupees stop. Who is bearing the burden stop? The burden is shifted to the consumer stop. Every man or every woman or every child who takes tea in our country has to pay for the export stop. The export earning is going down stop. The same is the case with regard to coffee stop era. Now, sir, we are exporting all sorts of things, meat, fish, fruits, everything we export stop. All consumer goods are being exported to earn dollars to pay for foreign debts stop. This is one of the main reasons for this increase in prices of consumer goods stop. The basic policy must be changed stop. We should fight for a reversal of the price structure in the international market stop. That is where the role of our country becomes very important, being one of the biggest countries in the world stop. We are playing an important role in international politics stop. Our country plays an important role in the non alignment stop. The same role must be played here for the world peace. Stop. Para. Whatever is produced is partly consumed for export and partly for hoarders and black marketeers. Stop. Hoarders and black marketeers are responsible for high prices. Stop. How to check this means I spoke about the essential articles such as food grains, sugar, etc. Stop.